Hello again. Welcome to your latest update from the Met Office. Dry and cloudy sums up the weather today for much of the UK, and it will be kind of the summary for the next several days. With light winds, not a lot of change happening. Increasingly, we are going to see some problems with mist and fog. High pressure is moving in, and once it's moved in, it's going to stick around. We do have this weather front, so it's not completely dry. Across the Northern Isles, that front is providing some rain and drizzle, so staying fairly damp in Shetland, for example, and we may see a bit of drizzle at times over the Western Isles. But otherwise, it is dry. We've got some good breaks in the cloud across eastern England and northeast Scotland, so some sunshine here, and at times we'll see a bit of sunshine for southwest England and West Wales. But for the vast majority, it's just going to stay pretty cloudy. Temperatures, well, with a bit of sunshine, we're going to get up to 8-9 degrees across the east, but actually the highest temperatures where we've got the cloud persisting. Double digits likely here, staying pretty mild, up to 11 or 12 across the south. However, it is going to turn colder over the next few days. Through this evening, under the clear skies, temperatures will fall sharply, so we will see some pockets of frost, and the fog is likely to thicken up once more. We've seen some stubborn patches today, but it's likely to become a bit more extensive over parts of eastern England overnight tonight, and it is set to stick around for much of Friday. With a bit more of a breeze blowing across the south, and where we've got the clouds sticking around, temperatures will hold up at 6 or 7 Celsius. But where we do have those clearer skies, temperatures are likely, certainly in rural areas, to drop down to freezing or a touch below. So a chilly start across the east, and there will be some dense patches of fog for Friday morning's morning commute. So just be aware of that, and may even stick around for the evening commute as well, because it's going to be hard to shift that fog. We should see some good spells of sunshine north of the central belt across Scotland, and some breaks in the cloud for West Wales again, and again maybe the north coast of Devon and Cornwall. Predominantly, though, it will stay pretty cloudy for most, but again, most places will also have a dry day on Friday. Temperatures just dropping down a degree or so, maybe still up to double digits across the south, but it is turning a little colder as we head into the weekend. High pressure is still sticking around, so we're not going to see a great deal of change during Friday evening. Maybe a bit more of a breeze picking up along the south coast during Friday and into Saturday. Clearer skies further north, again allowing temperatures to fall away and allow a touch of frost, as well as the potential for some fog. And as I said, not a great deal of change for the weekend. That high has moved in. It doesn't really shift around. It just kind of wobbles its way across parts of the UK, maybe altering the weather patterns ever so slightly here and there. But generally, high pressure bringing dry weather through Saturday and Sunday, but also the likelihood of some thick, stubborn fog patches that last for much of the day. Sunniest conditions likely to be across northern Scotland, and the mountains of Scotland could well see the highest temperatures through this weekend. As always, for the latest updates, make sure you're following the Met Office across social media and subscribe to our YouTube channels.